Hello, hello. Good evening, traders and YouTubers. Today is another market review from East DC Trader. Now, I was very sorry that I wasn't able to create a market review yesterday. Yesterday, I was trying to basically try to download these data, try to follow a YouTuber in downloading this data into this. Wow. This one is basically Ninja Trader. This is the platform or the platform that I use for trading the US market. What I like about this one, it has a lot of programmable indicators, and as you can see here, these are the one that I mean, right? These are the swings and stuff that I'm discussing to you guys, wherein who has the review. So basically next week I will try to incorporate this chart to next week's training market review. So basically these are the same, one and the same. The only difference is that I'm able to do more programming, wherein I can easily, if you take a look at this, that review, that what I'm telling you up, it's trying to, like this too, like what I'm trying to develop here. I'll just show you a bit. As you can see there. So you know that is it. And if you go take a look at the my 5 minutes, these are the two levels. See, also you're inside. Now you are inside here. And now you are inside here. So basically it's easier to take a look on where you're at. So we are actually in these two levels here, 1 and 2. There's only two options there. Now although we are tightening up from this level to this swing. Now I'm happy today that we are moving to the good side, to the upside here, right? So we are doing good. We got buyers down here that I will discuss later. So let's go back. So next week we will discuss using these Ninja Trader charts. For now, we will go back to Investograms. Now there's really nothing wrong much with I do really like this program, Investogram. The only thing is that I don't know how to program or download or create in such a way that I can have a better visual effects to this chart. So that's why I had to use another way, and it also makes my life a little bit easier. So the one that I'm discussing to you guys is these two. We are now in this level and we are tightening up. Good thing today is that it broke through first and went up. So if we take a look at the 5 minute there to understand what I mean, that's what happened. See, let's go here. There you go. So this was last week, and this is Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and look what happened. Thursday, it just went, touch that area, break in, have all buyers now. You got buyers all over this particular stock, and what happened? This baby shoots up. Very good. And we even end up here. Now what I see for tomorrow, they may want to go back down here, maybe touch this, making sure that there's no more buyers here, hoping that it won't go down any further. Maximum area would be around this level, let's hope, right? Because if they don't go down here, then we have a bigger chance of going up to at least above 6,000, and that is a good sign for us here, right? So that is for the Philippine Stock Index. Now let's go to BDO. Now BDO also had, although today was not so good, but overall way better than the previous 2 days, right? Again, it looks like this is exactly as what I always discuss, you guys, here. Oops, sorry about that. And then this. Now it has become a little smaller. So the stock, now if it goes down, then we all know who has control: sellers. But now if today this market will continue to go up, then this will look like this, which makes sense that buyers were holding there. So now we got buyers here. I'll make this a little bit bigger, so at least have a better view here. So now we got buyers here. Now let's hope these buyers can continue to shake these out, these sellers, or give them a punch out and knock them out to let them go up here to reach our target over here at 93.50. Let's get this guy going here, right? So tomorrow, now let's take a look at the 5 minutes here. BDO. But if you take a look at BDO on the 5 minute chart, it's like it's developing like a zone area, like, okay, now it's trying to go down. Now see, if you take a look at this was Wednesday, pretty range. It closed up, take a look at that. So that's what I'm afraid of. It went down, look at this, it went up, it looked down, it tried to go down how many times? So in this case, there must be a very strong buyer in this area. That's why at the end of the day it went up. Now let's hope that these buyers continue to push the market to go up in order for us to reach our target here. So if they can push the market, hit 89, or what I would love to see is, let's see, this is what I would love to see. Up, hold, check, no more sellers, all buyers. There you go, reach target. That will be a much better. And then if we drew the line there, that will be nice, like that. That will be lovely, right guys? That will be lovely for this particular stock, right? That will be nice for BDO. Now for the next one, it's Pure Gold. Now on Pure Gold, again, wow to the downside. Wow, somebody just punched out the buyers. Oops. Woo. So basically, okay, take a look at these guys. Now I bought actually around this area. I was thinking that, okay, it is about to change this course. It's either this or this, right? Now what happened was, the following days straight after I bought it, maybe the market know I'm buying it, that's why it's selling it all out, you know. And I know it's tough, but anyway, take a look at this now. My guess here is this. Measured move from here to here, which makes sense, right? Measured move like that, right? So if we take a look at pure gold on the 5 minutes, what really happened? All sellers, I guess, guys, give me a second here. That is all sellers market, right? This will just tell you what happened, eh? And today, what happened? Like, I think they didn't even give the buyers a chance to move up. See, they tried to go up, but there wasn't any lower high. See, only until near the end of the day. So which means the sellers never gave the buyers a chance in this market. So that's why if you take a look at back to the dailies, I feel they wanted to test this area, because for me the market is more on where are all the orders are, and the market makers will push it there. So I feel there is still a large bearish pressure. It will go down here. Now after this, I don't know, right? So that's about it. So one of our favorite stock also is BDO. BDO, right? So basically what happened, since Tuesday, it is what you call a inside candle on Wednesday, and today it's a little bit going to the down, but it's trying to go up, right? That's about it. Now let's take a look at the 5 minutes, because from that area there, it's still very bullish. Now, like what I notice about markets, right? If the market goes so steep, there has to be some correction, because it can't go like this all the time, right? It's too high, it's too powerful. That's why it may lower its angle to maybe 45 degrees, a much way wherein buyers and sellers can do a more better exchange in hands, right? So if we take a look at it, BDO. So as I was discussing to you guys, now BDO on the other hand, let's make this one bigger. Let's take out this so it's more clearer. So basically what happened is sellers are trying to push the market down. Now buyers are still here. So I feel maybe tomorrow, maybe they were going to go down, push up, we don't see, right? And then suddenly up you go like that. That's what I feel, to retest the highs, right? Now, it's either that or drop, buy, stop around this area here, and go down. Now, of course, I would like to see it this way. Get out to the upside. I would love to see that better. You know. Okay, so that's for BDO, and let's go to or Merrimart. For Merrimart, on the other hand, I would say we are now this particular area, it did broke it, but there was no continuation, right? It's touching it down here. Let's make this one bigger, right? But there's no continuation. So that is a good sign, because right now that's a good sign for Merrimart buyers, because it did not go down, right? It went up, and then the following day, although it's an inside bar, I hope that tomorrow what will happen is it may try to go down a bit, and hoping that buyers again would try to step in step in, and this will happen. If they step in, let's hope it will continue to push up to the upside. Because for me, if we take a look at this on the weekly, there is still some upward momentum for this stock. Right? There's still, although it's pretty sideways, but they still have a upward momentum. So I would say, go Mary Mart, go, right? So if we take a look at the 5 minutes, just to see short what happened. So as I was discussing to you guys here, all sellers, where are the buyers? The buyers could not even get in, went down again, right? Although today, since yesterday, on the last part of yesterday, buyers are in and is trying to do going up, right? So in that scenario, I hope that they would continue tomorrow to push these sellers slowly out, right? So that's about it for Mary Mart. And one of my favorite stock right now, and I'm amazed with, is MBT. Metro Bank. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I mean, these guys are pretty good. Now, will they ever reach their target of 40? Possible. Possible, because the highest here was 345. Today's close is 345. Possible. 50 cents. I would say they can easily push up, maybe go down a bit. Let's hope they're able to push up again to continue their upward pressure, right? Now that also depends on the index, see, but that is a very beautiful bullish candle, this one. That's a beauty, guys. That's a beauty. Now if we take a look at the 5 minutes here, MBT, what really happened? Okay, now on Tuesday I was telling you guys, MBT, look at that. So that's powerful, strong up, right? And now this looking on the next day, okay, what's gonna happen? It closed here. So I was saying, you know, for a good move up, buyers would continue, right, and drop down and continue, right? But it did not. So what happened was, this is what will happen, right? Sellers push down, right? Today they tried to, so yesterday it closed there, trying to retest. Today it dropped again. But one day drop, look at the exact point though. They end at 370. Let me take a look at this. The lowest candle for the lowest price for this is 380, 375. And this one is 375. Just exactly the same price. So I would say this could be the same buyers though, buying some more, then slowly drive the market up. That's a very good bullish momentum there. So I would say tomorrow they may want to close this little gap here, then go back out, then do like this, make sure that there's no one selling here to go up. That will be a nice one. But anyway, that's all for today. Thank you very much for taking your time, and hope to see you on another market review. And hoping if I can finish these new charts, then we can have a better looking chart for next week. Thank you very much and have a great day.